Bese kala kumnandi kanje uhlelo bakhe sikhuluma mnandi kakhulu laphayana ke lento thina amandla ngoba bathini sizoba mnandi kakhulu bakithi zathinta inkinobho la ngoba kuyenzeka ngesikhathi ukhuluma inkinobho engathindiwe yafaswa kahle. Alright ke mnandi noma sinjalo bakithi usuku komnandi kohlobo limazisayo umkhohla wethi kugcwele ke uyazi ke makulo zenu uthothi kusuke kuthight ebusuku hafam sabona ku Facebook ikudla zonke TikTok ukuphina isikhathi ebusuku makuche sinjalo ke bakithi sesifasile kamnandi amaphandi ke kuzokuhlala lo hora ke silve phansi uhlala ebusuku hafam yeah Uhlangana rizonzo. Chala wethi kusemnandi kakhulu lesikhathi ebusuku yafama. Namhlanje ke sihlezi kamnandi hlezi nombhalo wesincwadi namhlanje ebusuku soze ukuthi cha hey usiphathelene usuku lomnandi uhlabahlasile namhlanje newathi yavuma nawo idombo namhlanje nawo chaya ishopo nenhloko. Kumnandi lesikhathi kuzoza ukuthi ke sihamba kanjani. Sinobona uThabani ngisekubingelela manzini.
Ngiyabingelela umsakazi ngiyabingelela Dokotela.
Awu so ngihamba kahle kodwa.
Konke kuhle kakhulu.
Hayi kuhle thina kuba kuhle kakhulu mase sibona wena usiphathele nathi umqondo osiphathele namhlanje ukuthi cha uzosinabisa ngolwazi sikunyanga emnandi inyanga yamadoda siningi into ezenzekayo kodwa kujabuliwe kakhulu July abantu Durban July abantu besinama visits kusanabantu abasadla ama holiday la eThekwini abasayitika abanye balungisela ukuthi sibheke kodandi over the weekend kumnandi yaphithize gijimi hash Manzini come up
ngiyaphrofetha angazi ukuthi ngizoshukuphuma macalonke
yes
ngokuzalwa nje ngisuka empangeni
empangeni
mission
awusuka madoda
ukuhlala ngokusebenza sengingala
yes
manje seThekwini
awu phela kwelikabanana nuka kamnandi noma kunjani futhi uyi10
kodwa manje ngiyatsho ubhanana umningi ngale ngakithi
yebo
bawufika eThekwini awusekho ubhanana ngazi ukuthi imuphi ibhanana abawusho
kuba manje sikubona la uzosithulela izincwadi zintathu ngicela usuyibhalile
yes ngibonga kakhulu umsakazi ngibonga ithuba ngibingelela abalali emakhaya kuyintokozo kimi ukuba invited namhlanje just to share my heart nalini ngoba lokho engizokuthula la inhliziyo yami njengoba injalo omunye uzothi kanjani na you know mawusuka ukhula nomhamba kuba nesikhathi esidlule kube nesikhathi esimanje kuba nesikhathi esizayo into eyenzakalileke uma ngisahamba ngithema ngithi ngibheke emuva ngathi mina hawu udaba lungaka mangithi ngibheke imanje ngathi hayibo ziyabuya mangithi ngiqalaza iphambili ngiyabona ukuthi uma ngase ngingenzi kahle manje ikusasa hayi lingaba yenye into engabheka phezulu so that's how we come about these publications esizoyithula namhlanje emsakazweni
sezintathu incwadi mhlawumbe izihloko zakhona zithini
zintathu eyokuqala it's the arts of business support esibili the state of mind in adverse seasons then yesithathu it's the religious battle
la business support iphetheni
le iqukethe kakhulu ulwazi olusiza wonke umuntu akusho ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa business shuthi ke usomabhizinisi ngoba i-leadership ikhona ekhaya i-leadership ikhona emphakathini i-leadership ikhona ekwezamabhizinisi kuphela into esibhekile kuyona ukusizana ukuthi ikuplas ngenzanga kahle khona that resulted to ekutheni singayi phambili nanokuthi kuplas ngenza kahle khona kangcono ukuze lento esizalile iqhubeke phambili so the art of business support i-overall yayo eyokufundisa ngeindlela zokwenza kangcono in comparison neindlela ezilule singenzanga kuzona because oftentimes we see businesses fail we see relationships collapse when you talk about the relationships abantu bacabanga into ye-intimacy ukulahlekelwe nje umngani wakho not knowing ukuthi yini engayenzanga kahle so the art of business support ubuyolinco putting together zonke izinto, the transparency ukuthi idlala yiphi role uma ngabe uhleli nabantu, the honesty uma usebenza kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthembeka, competency ukwazi umsebenzi kubaluleke the communication. So the art of business support outlines zonke lezo zinto ithatha ibeke ndawonye imisithi ke nansi into okufanele uzibuze yona ukuthi njengoba ukuwaba nomsebenzi wakulahlekela fanele wenze njani ukuze in future ungakulahlekeli umsebenzi wakho.
So waphindwa phala the religious battle.
Hey, kubi kulukhuni kuyaphithizela esweni.
Hey,
I-religious battle yona ayidlile ngokubukela phansi izinkolo kodwa ithatha zonke izinkolo ibeke ndawonye imisithi let us look at what we are doing right and let us look at what we are not doing right, and also remind ourselves ukuthi why there is religion at first, because I always say the subscription, when you talk about the subscription, abanye they've subscribed to the Muslim religion, abanye they've subscribed to the Christian religion, abanye ba subscribe to inkolo yobuNazaretha. You can mention many, but why there is that in existence zikhoneleni, because what we are pointing out now, we have lost the gist of the religion. A religion was meant to formulate foundations that determines the strength of what we are building. Now there is an availability of information in our generation engekho right, eyenza ukuthi abantu i-exposure yabo iyaba mislead. Instead sithi thina what we have decided to do, siyesipusha superiority, ubungcono bethu. We are not helping each other. So this is just a book that is reminding, let us stop these battles, because what we have seen now, because Tina, amongst ourselves we are fighting, then there is a rise kuma spirit angekho. I mean mina bengikala ukubona ukuthi South Africa sinezangoma eziningi ezidlula amaKristu manje, and sekuyizinto I do not mean to belittle that, but I'm just saying ukuthi sekunento dominator kunene, whereas lento bekufanele bese neutralize by our religion, by telling the truth, by not diverting from what is right, so that when the next generation comes in, they are able to say, I like that way, I like that way, I like that way. I always say this when I refer to this book. Mangikhule ekhaya ngaba nenhlahla ukuthi ugogo angazi ukuthi ngihlele ngizibuza ukuthi kwenzakale kanjani, because she says to me engakashona I think kwasekusele 3 years ezoshona. I don't know lento ngiyikhumbula kanjani. She says to me, sengimdala la ekhaya besihlaba la ekhaya sizayoni umalume has introduced Christianity. This is what you should do. Kuzomela ukhethe indlela obona ukuthi izokusebenzela futhi ozoba nabo abantu abazokusupporta kuyona. For me it was easy to choose the Christianity because I can see lento yamodelo la ekhaya. Wathi uma ukhethe indlela wenza sure ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozoba imentor yakho kuleyo nto, so that it's going to be easy. So the religious battle focuses on that in saying, let us stop this thing yokuthi mina ngingcono kunomunye, and go and focus on why do we exist.
Then the third one,
the state of mind in adverse seasons. Isizini engeyinhle noma isimo somqondo esikhathini esinzima. Isikhathi esinzima siyaba ngike ngathi ngikhuluma 2 days ago, siyaba khona isikhathi esinzima enjabulweni, siyaba khona isikhathi esinzima in a sad period. Ngase ngithathe example yemali ukuthi khona umuntu othi mephethe imali they are not happy, that an adverse season. Uma kwaphatha imali kuqala kwakheka izinto eziningi, omunye mekwahamba imali abe ne stress. So how do you manage the state of your mind during that time? So that's where in fact ilana sizokhuluma about the healthiness of your mental state, because your mind is your engine. So if your engine emotweni collapse, the whole car cannot function. So ileso sokhuluma ngayo namhlanje, the state of mind in an adverse season. State of mind sikhuluma about the past, sikhuluma about present, it also talks about future. Ukuthi phela be alert ukuthi zizofika ikhathi enzima. how do you face them? This is not a motivational book. It's the reality, because everyone, as we talk,
I was about to ask, it's motivated.
Motivate la sikhuluma nge-reality. Yeah.
Isiphathele phakathi mhlawumbe izinto umuntu mhlawumbe ongathanda ukuzi-unpack kancane.
The state of mind is also about our greatest enemy. It is not always about the adversity, but it's the mind that is not guarded properly.
Okay.
That's what we are unpacking. And also, then I'm referring to my life. I've touched some of the things that I've experienced in my life, and I always say, izinto ngenhlahla engibenayo ukuthi yonke isikhathi engidlule kusona esihle nesibi, I did not succumb to that. Instead, I came out strong. Meaning, akusho ukuthi mangabe ubhekene nesikhathi esinzima sekukuphela kwakho. So that's what you are mentioning. And it's also not pretending. Asizosho ukuthi let us pretend ukuthi impilo izoba lula kuphela. It carries both easiness nokubanzima. And I say, akuwona wonke umuntu ozozalwa ahamba indlela eqondile. Omunye wethu uzozalwa shone phansi. Uma eshona phansi khona yobalanda. It's so unfortunate ukuthi so mangabe sesikhuphuka sesibheke phezulu kuzokwenzeka uphindele phansi emgodini. But be rest assured ukuthi the mark that you have left for a person omlande phansi ekwazi ukuqhubeka ngamandla amancane. Khona abantu abanamandla amancane abadinga ukuyolandwa bashiwe halfway endleleni yaphambili. So uma umshiya wena okade uyomlanda, then you go back. Remember, we leave footprints for history.
The state of mind. Sinanga madoda nasi isikhathi esikusona abantu beshayeke ngezindlela ezihlukahlukene zonke izinto zila engqondweni. What do we have in the book ekwazi ukuthi mhlambe indoda isize la ikhona?
Sizothi madodeni, let us acknowledge suffering is real.
Okay.
And let us also advise the surroundings ukuthi amadoda ayagula.
Okay.
Amadoda ayagula ekhuluma, amadoda ayagula esmile, amadoda ayagula elele, amadoda ayagula ehamba. In one of the chapters I talk about the development of the hairline cracks. When you talk about the hairline, thatha unwele uyalibona into encane. So nasekudleni ukulibona ngoba ngempela you are focused ukuthi kunonwele la. Kodwa uyakwazi ukudla uqede ungabonanga ukuthi kunonwele lube lukhona. Uzwa nini ukuthi ubunonwele? Omunye umuntu uzwa ngoba esehisheke esifubeni ukuthi yasikhonto engidlile abangafanele ngidle. So we are saying to our society, let us be mindful ukuthi abanye bethu we are wearing a smile outside because khona abantu abasithanda si smile, but let us be cautious of what is happening on the inside. Let us try. Sibabuze ukuthi how are they keeping? Omunye ubaba uphuma emsebenzini ediniwe kade ne-stress, izinto zingasahambanga kahle. But uma efika egatini la kwakhe fanele aqala smile because kuney'ngane ezifanele zibone ubaba osmilayo. Kunonkosikazi ofanele akwazi ukuwelcome ahage. Ake sibahageni thina on the other side. Let us not expect them to hug us first. Just offload. Let us help them to offload whatever that has developed on their inside. The danger of hairline crack, even nalactina by engineering, when we are doing these buildings. When you talk of a hairline crack, it's just a hairline crack in Dezopen. But it's when this crack continues and continues and develop to be a bigger crack. That's when you start wanting to say, kazi yini edalele crack. Ngenhlahla uyayazi vertical ukuthi ishukuthini, uyayazi horizontal ishukuthini. Now, cabanga i-cost of fixing that. Whereas, ngesikhathi kusey hairline, kusey crack encane, ukube we had paid more attention to it, ngabe sikwazi ukuprevent the worst from happening.
Yeah. Hey, this book must ngena ngayo ngoba siyayizwa ukuthi if I'm listening to you ukuthi iumjovo izoletha ukuphila kwingqondo yomuntu othi mayihleze ekhaya ethi ngishayekile ethi kuningi okungehlekile, but this book izomelapha yenze isima akuso.
Yeah, in fact, izoti, you are on the right direction.
Yeah.
But, kada ameva muhlangana na ukuthi azobesha ukuthini. So it's there to help you to identify the types of pain that you are going through. So ngike ngathi kwezinye zeindawo ngikhuluma ngathi When my parents, both of them passed away, 16 and 17,
Yeah.
I refused to be called an orphan.
Okay.
Because I said to my mind, I did not make myself an orphan. Instead, there is someone else there who is responsible for this. So he must come in and take care of this thing that he has caused. Because mina ngikwazi ukukhipha umphefumulo womuntu. Ukuthi ubone ukuthi uNkulunkulu abazali basuke manje. Then it's his responsibility to make sure that I don't feel the pain. But into Caesar was the foundation that was built before that. Ukuthi Christ in me is the hope of glory. If I did not have that hope, did not have that Christ and the hope of glory, then it was going to be difficult for me to understand what it means to be an orphan. Does it graduate me? Does it takes me below or takes me up? Instead, okay, now I'm graduating to the next level of learning to take responsibilities at an earlier age. Because when you begin on this book, it talks about my life at the age of 16, where I had to look after my young brother and my young sister. Every little cent that I had, I needed to share with them in such a way that I missed the teenage stage. Because I had to take earlier responsibility. Then ngaleso sikhathi ngase ngilahlekelwa yimi. I only discovered that I lost myself now sengimdala. Ukuthi hayibo, khona izinto engingazenzanga. Ngayijumpa zonke itstage, but uNkulunkulu who made sure ukuthi ngesikhathi ngingena kulento ye-orphanage, angikufila ku-orphanage, but I graduated to the next level of taking responsibilities.
Oh. Ake sikhulume ke manje singene kuzona incwadi ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi nje abantu sebezwile njengamanje ukuthi siphethe into erish kangaka, siphethe into ezosiphilisa emakhaya, ngisemsebenzini ku-businessman, ngu-family man, umuntu ohlezi laphana olalele, oshayekile ngendlela ezahlukahlukene, ofuna ukugive up, nofuna ukuthi ocabanga nokuyibulala. Le ncwadi siyayizwa ukuthi cha, isiphathela amandla asimangaliso. Sithatha usibeke mhlambe ke masifuna ukuthola ama-copy senza kanjani, sifinyelela kanjani kuyona, siyayithenga online, siyithola kuwena, senza kanjani?
Siyabonga msakazi. Lezi incwadi zonke, the Art of Business Support is now live on Amazon, going live on TikTok soon. And then maufuna hard copies, we have our marketing team that is handling that. Before we leave here, we will share the contact details. Same as the art of the state of mind in adverse seasons. Na izotholakala ku Amazon by next week Friday we'll be live, so people can get their soft copies, and then we'll share our details for our marketing team. They will pre-order, and then once their orders are confirmed, then they will get their deliveries. Same as the religious battle as well. And we'll be launching our book soon. If you follow us, then you will know when we'll be launching, but it's just around the corner.
Yeah.
So we'll have our books because one of the things as we are coming here, we have enlisted with Eurobooks in Europe, and they have responded to say they are partnering with us. So even when you are in Europe, you'll be able to get our books.
Wow, that is powerful. Yeah, zamnandi lezindaba ukuthi umlaleli usungakwazi ukuthi ufinyelele zona zontathu lezi ncwadi wazi ukufinyelela maduzane ukuzwe ukhuluma indaba yokuthi people they can follow. Mhlawumbe mabe follow asha uThabani Zungu, or mhlawumbe khona igama elithezona
ngike ngenza iphutha yabo lento ngayijwayela into ka social media.
Yeah.
Ngike ngenza iphutha ngakhipha igama wrong. Ku TikTok uThabani Zungu 01.
Oh,
that's where I'm active to give out some updates of what is happening. Yeah.
Ubanike mnandi noma sishala ke kwi-Highway 131.5 emhlezi ke mnandi khona ke nombhalo wencwadi laphana ke uThabani Zungu unathi namhlanje kwi-Highway 131.5 sisona malini?
The Art of Business Support online, it's 200 rands. As long as 200 rands online. But when you need hard copy, then there will be 300 rands. We'll have our marketing team available, visible throughout the city in Durban. They will be traveling around because we will be having our book tour soon, and we'll be announcing our tours as we are traveling.
Okay. So see information with TikTok or with Facebook?
Yeah, on TikTok. It's more of TikTok. We still to develop a page on Facebook. I was not well active on these things until I responded to this. Because I started writing a long time ago. So now, it was my first publication was, it was a small magazine, just a local magazine, The Sustainable Living, 2008, when I first arrived in Durban. Yeah, so. It has been on archives for a long time.
Yeah.
So every day when you are driving, I normally drive alone. So as I'm driving, there are things that you see zibuye resonate with you and your spirit to say, uNkulunkulu ke wangithwala la, hawunala futhi usangithwala, awunazi izinto akufundisa zona. Such that one of the things I've highlighted in the state of mind, kuzokwenzeka usiza abantu.
Okay.
Babuye bakulimaza.
Yo.
But uthi Baba Dlomo, Apostle Collins Dlomo, never stop doing good. Even in your family, in your family, you'll have people that won't say thank you.
Yeah.
But never stop doing good because you are born to help the people.
Yeah.
So makuthi omunye ubongile ukhona ongezukubonga. It's part of your journey. It's part of what you have to do. So that's what we are learning on this book as well.
Wow. Nathi noma sijala kwi-Harriet 101.5 msisi khona ke incwadi zetholakala online yaphuthuma uyithole Chabanzungu lapha ke okumbhali wezincwadi zintathu lezincwadi ke ukuthi nawe usungakwazi ukuthi uzithole la business support khona state of mind khona the religious battle khona uyakwazi ukuthi ke
asihleli msakazi kuyaphithizela njengoba ngisho ukuthi we are watching a movie zu5 in total. But we decided to launch the 3. To follow, there is a man's cave, ikona lendoda, and there is an exit point. Sizoti know when to stop and know when to exit. Yeah. When you see the exit sign, it's there for purpose.
Yeah.
Don't go past it.
Yeah.
Because you'll miss the exit point. Then you'll cry when the building's burning.
Hey, yayizindaba Chabanzungu ngalesikhathi kwi-Harriet 101.5 ngiyazi ukuthi khona abazofuna more information mhlawumbe ukuthi bangafonela kanjani benze kanjani ukuthi ke bafinyela kanye kwi-team yakho ke onayo for the books.
Bangathintana no Dr. Sibusiso Sabangcwele ku WhatsApp to place their orders 064 110 46 57 064 110 46 57. Bese ukuthi abafisa ukuthintana nami direct if nginga-respond efonini kuyaphithizela usuke kuphithizela. You can drop a message, then when I get the message I can always come back to you. My personal contact number is 071 708
733
071
yes
708 703 abathatha abafanayo.
Asiya.
Siyabonga msakazi.
Manzini ngalesikhathi kwi-Harriet 101.5 FM ngiyazi ke njengoba usushilo wathi khona i-tour that is coming up soon. I know mhlambe khona ama-highlights mhlambe izinto ofuna ukuzitha mhlambe ukuthi mhlambe ngizobe senda nokuthi people can follow or anything that you have okanye futhi followers ke ku TikTok ngizobe ngi-live ngesikhathi sokuthi and all those things uzositshela nawo ama-details okulandela.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sizovele siwashare I think if they can follow as Nohlonze because that's where we are mostly handled by a team yakhona ka-marketing. So mawubona as Nohlonze Media House, they are one of our partners who are doing our marketing.
Yeah.
So follow them most of the times. You'll get most of the information on their page, on their news, on TikTok, and then I'll be sharing what they've shared.
Yeah.
Vele. So this Sunday sisempangeni kuBaba uMnguni eHoli. He invited us to come in and present our work. Yeah. Then we'll be sharing our next tour soon.
Oh yeah.
Siyabonga.
Manje sibakhulu ukuthola namhlanje uNkulunkulu ubusisa kakhulu so excited kubona indoda ezosishiyela oyashiya incwadi emhlabeni ngisho ukuthi ulwazi lohlala iminyaka ngeminyaka singakhuluma amazwi mhlawumbe abantu bakhohle kodwa maswasishicilele phansi abantu bohlala babuyele kwana bakho boy.
Ngingahleka ngihleli phansi ngithi umsebenzi lo.
Yeah.
In actual fact, this is all reminder nababhalayo which you have somebody to feed and to look after you.
Yeah.
In fact, even your generations. Ngithemba ngithi ngenza research ngihlalele ukuthi what is the most sold book. Ngathola ukuthi iBhayibheli selidayisa ama-copies are over 1.6 billion.
Yo.
It means umbhalo walo ube ukhona. Angazi ngabe ngithi uyi-trillionaire mangathiwa khona into enjalo.
Yeah. Bayicabanga iBhayibheli abakhamba nomuntu ethi athi Matthew ethi la ma-relatives ami akabhala. Ethi
kami kuyabanga ama-realities. Ingcebo kuyashawa.
Baba sibakhona ukuthola namhlanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu umsakazi.
Thank you sir.
Thank you very much.
Sure.